Today's video is sponsored by Weiss Audio. They offer a budget-friendly subwoofer with a custom motor design with advanced cooling and performance. The competition-grade cone that they have here you can see as well, with only quality parts with bolted down and glued down spiders. They also design and engineer their motors in-house. So there's a nice little subwoofer flex action. Hope you enjoyed that. So go ahead and check them out for all full parameters and information about this product on their website and Facebook links in the description.
Thank you. I didn't need to get a picture. We're good. I got it. I had to get a picture.
Drive my limo like a Chevy, I'm some rich nigga bitch. Told her teacher I was gonna be on the rich. Hey!
With no birds, told me watch my mouth, I told him nigga watch your it's that rich bitch pussy, bitch, I ain't need him.
On some rich nigga shit. Hey, you can't fuck my hey. Yo, I'm gonna get the bag, I get the bag, I'm gonna get the bag. You can't talk to my girl, she a rich nigga bitch. Told her teacher I was gonna be on the rich nigga list. Told you black ass nigga, cook a meal on this rich. Hey! With no birds, Only watch my mouth, I told him nigga watch your it's that bitch pussy, I ain't need him, but they can't take my nigga from me. With your cleaning or your cooking, drop my hand through the hood on some rich nigga shit. Hey, you can't fuck my nigga cause he with a rich bitch. Drive my Lambo like a Chevy on some rich nigga shit. You can't talk to my girl, she a rich nigga bitch. Told the teacher I was gon' be on the rich nigga next. Black ass nigga, $250,000 on his wrist. Hey.
Thank you. I didn't need to get a picture. We're good? I got it. I had to get a picture.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.